Lady of 1,000 veils. Lady of 1,000 veils. I am the Holy Grail. I am the building. Absolutely, but what's more important is how they respect us more so greatly that when you come up out of the federal courthouse, hello, look at this. Now, who might this be? A gigantic Moor's head.
With the cornrows.
With the cornrows, so you already know who this is. And I'm going to show you. This is how we're able to come here and get so much remedy and respect. They respect us so much in the federal court. Do they not, sis?
Indeed so.
But sleeping more. Y'all better wake the fuck up. Look at that. Cornrows fresh to death. Sis, go over there and get a picture.
Grandmother, Chief Justice, Mother Star, Mary.
Peace and love.
Good afternoon.
Peace and love.
All right, so I see that you're here in front of Sleeping Moore's Head in front of the federal court justice building here in Newark, and I have a question for you. What do you think is, or not even what do you think, but what do you know to be the remedy for the Asiatic or Moorish woman who is not woke today? What is the remedy for herself and for her progeny in this day and time in order to survive and thrive?
So I would say that you use the word remedy, right? We got remedy, we got words like cure, we got words like relief that are on one justice scale, remedy, legal or lawful, law, and on the other scale we have medical. And I would say that that is within the dominions of the zodiac sign of Virgo. So we're going to talk about the fact that the women need to start with their womb. Women have been raped, molested by men who are supposed to be protectors in their family, family members, people who were supposed to act as vanguards and protectors over them. And I would say that it would start with your womb healing. Herbs.
Absolutely.
Okay, there's herbs out there for any intention that you know can think of. So I would say you might want to do some womb healing because you want to prepare the way for the seeds that's going to enter into your stargate and portal and come out here. So you have to do, I would say, things to, as a precaution, or to pave the way for the child to come before it's even here. So I would say that you would start with womb healing.
All right.
And activating womb power.
All right.
All right. So, I mean, I could elaborate a little bit more and watch what type of man you're letting into your womb.
Absolutely.
Okay? Because there is an exchange going on many levels where the man can actually dump into you a lot of negativity, and so
dilute the waters.
Dilute the waters. So you want to make sure you just get the womb energy right, and then you'll be able to bring forth seeds that, it's like, I don't want to use the word manifestation planning or birth planning. The great zodiac chart is the same chart of what? They got that inside the courthouse.
That's right.
They deal with the zodiac.
That's right.
And each zodiac sign governs over certain forces.
That's
and
right.
We want to
as well as certain parts of the body from head to toe.
Organs, certain parts of the body, certain forces. This is the force I rock with. I'm Mother Mary. I'm a commissioner to carry out this energy down here. Yes.
And let's talk. You said commissioner, and so as a commissioner in having your own organizations and businesses, tell us a little bit about how you are commissioned in the way of Order Mother Star and your nonprofit organization.
Okay, so I wear many hats. All right, so when you have a nonprofit organization, you would be called a minister. I got a title from Minister Plenipotentiary, which means I'm vested with full power and authority to act as a government all by myself. And yes, I was born with this authority because I'm a Capricorn. And Capricorn rules government. So I believe in self-governing.
Right.
And so a lot of people from all over come to me for government problems. So if I need to be the minister for the law and justice, I put that hat on. If I need to be the minister for the child protection and safety, I put that hat on.
Right.
Okay. I do a lot of legal work for clients, and this is all part of what I was commissioned to come down here and do. And so I feel like, or helping people find a path, and I got many, like I said, I wear many hats or whatever, so people come to me for all kind of stuff. And I act as a government ordaining certain things, and you'll find that, yes, it works.
Absolutely.
It works.
And so, and just to finalize this brief interview for the people, because we don't want to give all the Jews up in one session. We already know you're a powerhouse and in so many ways. And just to say, if you could think of the number of people that you've helped in the last 6 to 12 months, what would that number look like in any area, whether it was legal battling, trying to get their house back, helping with their children, helping women clean their wombs, helping women in their relationship issues, helping women and men just to find out who they truly are, because you've been gifted in that area to see things, you know, and to have clairvoyance that others may not have. So on how many, what's the number look like?
I can't even mention how many numbers. I wouldn't even want to, because I'm a humble woman. But I would say that I'll always provide remedy, cure, and relief to anybody that come to me, whether it be giving them more time. That's very relevant. Getting more time. Getting more time is very important. Whether it be to getting stuff dismissed or getting them to leave you alone.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, listen, this was very brief. I thank you. It's an opportunity to expose some jewels to the world and to your clients and potential clients that you may serve, and to the mothers and fathers here, you know, in North America, United States.
Yeah, actually right now we are in Newark, New Jersey. Before I brief out, this is the place that it all happened. When I moved to Newark in 2008, everything changed for me. I went through a grand initiation from the hierarchies. They tested me with my children, and it's like they instilled in me. And I went up against some powerful people. And when I look back at it now, we were just inside the court looking at old documents that I submitted, and I laughed. But back then I was crying.
That's right.
I was crying.
You weathered many storms.
Many storms. So I want to say that being here today, going through
on this day, we are dealing with the Mercury retrograde today. That's right.
I do my best work during the Mercury retrograde.
That's right.
Because I'm that Virgo. Virgo is ruled by Mercury. And I do my best work during the retrograde, because when you start dealing with that Virgo energy, that's Isis, Mary, and Sophia. And that is the triple goddess.
Absolutely.
And so who stands behind the triple goddess, whether they want to call it Jabril or Papa Legba or Hermes, you will always find him not too far from me, opening the way so that I can open the way for you. So I just want to say peace, love, and light, and may more light be upon you. And you can check me out at ootms.org.
Like magic, they call me Lord Aberastus. Abracadabra like magic, raise the dead out the caskets, send them offers in a basket. Abracadabra like magic, words of power can be tragic, words of power can be tragic. This one here is a classic, this one is a classic. Call her Maria, switch up the flow, let me call her Sophia.